Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to print all this data to be printed. And sometimes whenever you want to print, you find that there's some data on worksheet are left outside. They're not involved. So whenever you go to file like this and just go to print, you find that there's some parts or some data which are not which are covered. They're not involved in our worksheet. So we are going to solve this problem, and I'm going to show you how to print such large data on a worksheet. So let me show you. You go to print, then you'll have to click on page set, tap down here. This way exactly you'll have to adjust some settings for you to be able to cover the other data on your worksheet. Now there is a dialog box of setup which is here. Then we have to adjust here. We can adjust it to 70% normal size, like that. Then from there you can either choose landscape or work with the portrait, but I'll work with the portrait. Then you click OK. So now if you check on our worksheet, the whole data is already covered in our Microsoft Excel. So you can now go ahead and print, and the whole document will be produced with the whole data covered. If you like this video, consider subscribing.